legit.
2018, a watershed year for Ripple and XRP. Bearish market conditions aside, 2018 was undoubtedly a monumental year for the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. Investors continue to flock to this space. Hash rates drastically increased across notable proof-of-work secured networks. Notable institutional players and high-net-worth individuals made bullish forays. Bitcoin markets essentially registered highest BTC trading volumes in history. Blockchain development became LinkedIn's fastest-growing category. Is Bitcoin? Established itself south the most common search term on Google. Yet, some would argue that some crypto-related projects, like Ripple and XRP, stood out more than others, and as such, should be commended. Ripple boomed in 2018 while many bash Ripple, a San Francisco-based fintech startup, for being in bed with banks. The firm has arguably done well in serving its role in the centralized financial ecosystem. Pro 18, the year of breakthroughs in blockchain, authored by the company's team, RippleNet, an on-demand liquidity provider for cross-border transactions, has seen adoption beyond compare. More specifically, the application now serves more than 100 institutions, which span 40 countries on 6 continents. MercuryFX, an early adopter of the product, audited his solution in April, claiming that higher levels of liquidity and faster transactions were achieved. As reported by Ethereum World News, other users of RippleNet and XRP were quite satisfied with what the applications provided them. Qualix's CFO explained that its customers can realize the promise of micropayments with XRP. MercuryFX doubled down on its support, with the firm's CEO explaining that he was quickly convinced to pull the trigger to integrate XRP after seeing the drastic decrease in transaction times and costs. Speaking on the matter, the COO of Ripple partner Catalyst stated, "The traditional international wire experience fails to meet today's expectations from a price, speed and ease of use perspective." Blockchain technology, and specifically Ripple's XRP product, resolves all three of these challenges simultaneously. Ripple's technology also saw its fair share of adoption. Santander launched an ePayFX mobile application that will bring better remittance services to nations across the globe. MoneyTap went online in Japan, which allows Japanese consumers to make domestic transactions at zero cost, and near instantly. BTech was able to mitigate the fees that SWIFT charges for remittance transactions, reducing costs by 90%. An American Express representative even praised Ripple's technology for its ability to drastically improve global transactions, touting, "We did a pilot. We did a test, partnering with Santander locally, and with Ripple just do cross-border transactions. Cross-border transactions continue to be complex and slow. In a matter of seconds, through this test, our clients were able to transfer funds in a very transparent and seamless way, from one part of the world to the other one." Price action aside, XRP did fine for itself in 2018. What's a Ripple-centric article without XRP, right? Well, just like the entity that utilizes the XRP ledger for good, the asset itself has arguably had a monumental year, save for price action, of course. As noted by Unixweb's Hard Fork column, the popular cryptocurrency was listed on Revolut, Toro, and Uphold. While some of these platforms only provide FDs, rather than physical holdings, these additions are positive nonetheless. XPRING launched in May, which is an initiative that promotes development in the blockchain ecosystem through venture investment, incubation, and partnerships mentorships. XRP was recently added to Binance as a base payer, as recently confirmed by Ethereum World News. Still waiting on that Coinbase listing. However, there is one notable shortcoming that befell XRP in 2018. This, if you haven't guessed it already, is a listing on Coinbase, a long time coming in the eyes of the asset's proponents. The fact of the matter is that the asset remains in a regulatory gray zone. And until clarity is established, it is unlikely that Coinbase, which has hinted at supporting XRP, will add the asset. But, some pundits are starting to believe that a bona fide listing on the San Francisco headquartered platform is right around the corner.